the back of Justin's truck and he's taking me in the property.
You can see all the crap. It's tall over here.
Yeah.
This
That's
is
the
all grass
highway.
that he planted, though.
Yeah, show where the turnip green.
The turnip greens.
It looks like weed to me.
Right. These like leafy things right here.
Yeah.
Those are turnip greens, right, Jess? It's the ones that look like leaves. Or the look like lettuce leaves or something.
What's that?
Which one?
That looks like a plant.
There's no telling what. I'd have to get my plant thing out. Oh, the bottle. There's boat. I mean, just the water bottle.
I mean, really, what are you gonna do? Nothing. Oh, maybe that was it.
Then he put in a culvert over here because there was a big ditch we got stuck in. That's how we met our neighbors. And him and our neighbor put in a big culvert so we could go across the other field over here.
There was pipe in there?
It's where the old crossing used to be, right here, but I ripped it out right here.
It was stuck in there, so we ripped it out and moved it down here. That's where they used to cross.
I rolled it with the
ditch.
tractor over here.
And we moved it over here, so now we can cross it to the other field. See, you can see right there. The culvert.
Oh, yeah. The pipe was there, or you moved that
we
big
moved
pipe?
it from down there.
You moved that big
So now
pipe?
we can go across. Oh, watch the vines.
Watch your head, you know.
Oh. Yeah, but see, he put in that. That's so cool.
And you cut all this grass down, Just?
Huh?
You cut all the grass here?
Yeah, I just cut all this.
Oh. Yeah, Tony, he just cut all this.
Huh?
Nothing, dear.
See, he'll be laying on the hill over
I
there.
was in a hurry. I know I missed some spots. And then that's the swamp right there.
Oh, the swamp.
Swamp is over here on this side.
Behind all this trees. You'll see an opening at some point. I think right here, maybe. And you can kind of. Oh wow! Look.
Crane.
Wow.
You got a crane going, a flying by.
I'm going to the swamp now.
Sky looks pretty.
There's the opening.
Oh, he's gonna back. Yeah, all that's swamp.
Swamplands. You're putting a kayak in there, you're gonna be kayaking with the weeds.
Pretty much. The water's pretty low right now. I felt a rainbow.
That's that hole. I'm talking about where the water is right there.
Oh, they're very watery.
It's like a
Yeah.
fucking groundhog hole or a beaver hole or something right
We're not gonna sink over here, are we?
We should. I
Water lilies?
Yeah, water. They need to be cut.
That's for you, Tony, a pond.
I let some Louisiana crawfish on.
You did? Where'd you get them?
From the neighbor down the street. Were they alive?
I don't know. I mean, they were alive.
Why are you going this way? That way.
That was the old one?
Huh?
Is that the old way?
No, that's a different field. That's where the blueberries are in that field.
Are they really still there?
Yeah, but I think they're either dead or dormant. But that's a different field than that one by the road. Oh my God. Why you gotta go this way? Look at the big cat right there. Oh yeah, you fit. You're good on this side. Maybe not with a gate on it.
Yeah.
Unless you mounted the gate like on the outside. Yeah. So when you opened it, you still had that much clearance.
Yeah.
Now what's the, oh deer.
Oh, look at the deer.
There's the deer.
Oh wow. Like 5 of them. And the baby. Probably just when you got hit by a
Wow.
car. No, I'm just kidding.
Did you see that tall one jump?
Oh wow. Candy.
Can't we just go out that gate over there?
Huh?
What gate is that?
That's the front. That's the front road right there.
We can't go out that gate? No?
There's no gate over here. This all like has old fencing, so we can't go through there. Yeah, see where all that overpatch is? Where the blueberries are, but we don't know if they survived. Right there. We planted all the blueberries there.
This is so much land to cut. I don't even know how you would cut it. Oh.